Hello friends, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. Today's video I'm going to show you how I prepare my classic corned beef rice, aka corned beef Anwa. This is so delicious and very easy to make at home. So please take your seat, don't go nowhere. This is the recipe that you want to make for all your loved ones, okay? So let's get started. Alright friends, so to start you need onion. So I've already peeled and washed this onion. I'm using a large one and dice them into very small sizes or any sizes that you prefer. Alright friends, so when we are done here, we're gonna put our pot on the stove and I'm adding my cooking oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but here I'm using olive oil. Alright friends, so this side I just added my diced onion. I'm gonna leave it to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes or until the onion browns up. Also, we are using a medium heat to prepare this recipe. Alright, so on this side I really love green onion, so I just washed it and I make sure that it is nice and clean, and I'm going to dice them up into a very nice small pieces. I'm going to add it in my rice later. So after 6 minutes you can tell the onion has begun to brown up. So I'm adding in here corned beef because I really love corned beef rice. If you haven't tried this recipe before and this is your first time, please give this recipe a try. You will love it. Okay, yes, if you haven't tried this before, try this method and come and thank me later. Alright, so after we add our corned beef, I'm adding here my green peas. With this one you can get it from your normal grocery shop. This one is frozen one, but I believe you can get fresh ones as well. Alright, so let's leave it on the stove and let it cook for about a minute. On this side I have my basmati rice ready and I'm washing it. I'm using about 2.5 cups. That is what I'm going to cook today because that's enough for us. This one will be enough for about 3 family. That's perfect. Alright, so let's go ahead and add our rice in here. As you can tell, everything looks very nice and so delicious. With this recipe you can cook any rice of your choice. You can use brown rice, you can use asante rice, or any preferred rice at all you have in your pantry. That's absolutely fine. I'm adding in here basmati rice because that is what I really like. On this side I just boiled some water in my kettle, so I'm just adding here about 4 cups of water and it is warm, so you have to be very careful. So after we add our water, I'm going to stir them up, make sure that everything is cooperating together, and I'm going to taste the salt and make sure that it is enough. Since we are using corned beef, we have to be careful. So I just added salt because it wasn't enough for me. It was not very salty and I don't like my food salty actually, but I have to add extra salt in here. Alright, so on this side we're going to cover and have it simmer until it is cooked. Alright, so I'm going to move without fried egg. I don't know what you're thinking, but we always enjoy our rice with fried egg. But if you don't like egg, you can add, something else. You can add meat or, any preferred meat of your choice is fine. So on this side, as you can see, the rice is almost done. Everything looks so delicious and so beautiful. So I'm going to add my diced onion right here. This is the green onion that we diced them up. And next I have here my cooked beans. Yes, I really love my angwamo with beans. Sometimes my dad's favorite, he always prepares his angwamo with beans, so I learned that from him, and in fact, trust me, this is so delicious. You're gonna call me or text me and say, Wapa, this is very nice, I really enjoy your corned beef recipe. Alright, so after we stirred, go ahead and cover it and have it simmer for about 15 minutes and the rice will be ready. But as time goes on, we have to keep an eye on it and make sure that we check everything and make sure that the rice is cooking nicely and perfect. So yeah, rice is almost done. As you can tell, it has cooked into perfection. That is how you want it. Everything looks so nice and very beautiful, so delicious and so easy to prepare. So alright, so let's go ahead and get our sanka and let's dish them up because it is time. It's about to go down. Yes, so So as I'm serving my rice, it is raining outside. It is so beautiful, so peaceful, and I'm really enjoying the weather right now. So imagine with this beautiful weather with some cooked homemade rice. This is what you just want to dive in. I really love this recipe. All right, so as we all know, I have my hot spicy pepper on the side, and also I have my shito because I really love my rice with shito, especially if I'm making anwamu. Yes, that's what I usually do. And of course my eggs is representing as well. Everything looks so nice and so delicious. With this recipe, you can cook under 30 minutes or even less than that. There's no need for you to go and eat outside. You can just make this at home. It is absolutely delicious and better than restaurants. So thank you so much, friends. As I'm enjoying this recipe, if you really enjoy as well, please don't forget to share among your friends, and don't forget to like this page and follow this page. And thank you so much for your love and support. I truly appreciate it. This is how I prepare my corned beef angamo. I hope you enjoy. Until I come your way, stay safe, stay joyful, and have a blessed day.